Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Nest Hub is on the same Wi-Fi and signed into your Google account because those links enable contact access and calling. Next, enable Voice Match and grant contacts and phone permissions in the Home app so your device recognizes you and can place calls. Once done, either say, "Hey Google, call Emma," or open the Home app, select the Nest Hub, and tap the call option to initiate the first outgoing step. Now you pick how to place the call. Voice is fastest. Say the contact name and, if needed, which number, mobile versus home, so Google selects properly. Alternatively, touch the calls or contacts icon on the Nest Hub and scroll to the person you want. This is helpful for multiple numbers. If you need an international line, specify the country and full number or ensure a linked carrier is configured. This avoids dropped attempts and ensures correct dialing format during the call process. During a call, use on-screen controls to mute, open the keypad, switch to video when supported, or end the call. These let you manage the conversation without voice commands. Make sure volume is set with the physical slider or say, "Hey Google, volume up" for quick adjustments. If a call fails, reboot the Nest Hub, recheck contacts and phone permissions in the Home app, and verify your Google account is active. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.